Looking for the best Forex broker to kickstart your trading journey? Whether you're after no deposit bonuses, low trading costs, or just want a reliable platform to grow your skills, you're in the right place. In this video, we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with low spreads. Be sure to like and subscribe to our videos for future content, as it greatly supports the channel. Let's dive straight into it. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Go Markets. Go Markets is a reputable broker which is based in Australia and has a client base consisting of more than 80,000 registered traders. These traders are provided with superior online trading services and solutions that cater to their trading needs and objectives, despite their trading skills, knowledge, experience, or trading styles. Go Markets specializes in trading through more than 600 tradable CFDs and a variety of Forex pairs, shares, indices, precious metals, and commodities. Platforms are available on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 trading platforms. The Go Web Trader, which is designed to be beginner-friendly and is available as a web browser interface. You will also be able to use premium tools such as MetaTrader Genesis, AutoChartist, and Trading Central. Go Markets offers 2 types of live trading accounts, and clients also have the option to use a risk-free demo account that they can use to practice on or to test new strategies. Both accounts require an initial minimum deposit of $200 Australian and allow traders to be leveraged by up to 500 times the initial deposit amount. If you have never used the MetaTrader platforms before, or if you are new to Forex trading, Go Markets offers several helpful MetaTrader tutorials and a comprehensive introductory guide to Forex trading to help you get started. You can also visit their FAQ section to see answers to some of the most commonly asked questions if you are searching for any additional educational material with Go Markets. At number 4 on our list is Pepperstone. Pepperstone is a highly regulated, low-risk Forex broker that offers competitive trading conditions with tight spreads guaranteed. This broker has been in the Forex industry for more than a decade and offers 2 flexible account types, in addition to demo accounts and swap-free accounts. With Pepperstone, you can diversify your investment portfolio with more than 1,200 instruments and enjoy all the tools and features offered by the MetaTrader 4 and 5 trading platforms, as well as the CTrader trading platform. Pepperstone provides plenty of helpful articles for beginners, along with weekly video updates, price forecasts, and so much more. Pepperstone offers 2 main trading accounts with institutional-grade spreads, an active trader program, demo accounts, and swap-free accounts. All trading accounts allow hedging, scalping, and the use of expert advisors. Pepperstone uses a no-dealing desk broker that also offers premium benefits for professional traders. Pro clients have access to higher leverage referral rewards and dedicated account managers. Pepperstone provides the Razor account, which offers spreads starting at 0 pips and is recommended for scalpers and algorithmic traders. The Standard account is a beginner-friendly account with spreads starting from 0.6 pips. The Pepperstone demo account can be used on MetaTrader 4 and 5 as well as CTrader, and you can also specify the type of account you would like to try in a risk-free environment. Their swap-free accounts are suitable for clients of the Muslim faith and offer spreads starting at 1 pip, along with support for scalping, hedging, and expert advisor trading. Their active trader program is designed for high-volume traders and comes with virtual private server hosting and advanced insights and reports. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, as well as the CTrader trading platform. They also provide some helpful trading tools, such as Smart Trader tools for MetaTrader 4 and 5, AutoChartist, MyFXBook, MetaTrader Signals, and DupliTrade for social trading. If you are new to trading, Pepperstone offers plenty of helpful trading guides and articles, educational webinars, and the option to copy the trades of professionals. You can also use a demo account to learn how to trade and practice different strategies. Pepperstone is an award-winning, no-dealing desk Forex broker that offers competitive, beginner-friendly trading accounts. With this broker, you can trade over 1,000 instruments on 3 of the most popular trading platforms in the market. You will have access to a variety of trading tools and plenty of market insights, market news, and educational resources to help you get started.
At number 3, we have Global Prime. Global Prime is a respected Australian Forex and CFD broker operating since 2010 and regulated by the ASIC and the Vanuatu Financial Services Commission. Known for its ultra-competitive pricing, traders can enjoy spreads from 0.0 pips, fast execution with low latency service, and a fully transparent commission-based model. The broker offers traders access to a diverse range of over 150 tradable markets across multiple asset classes. At its core is a strong Forex offering, with major, minor, and exotic currency pairs available to speculate on in the world's largest Forex markets with tight spreads and 24/5 liquidity. Traders can also access CFDs on global indices like the S&P 500, FTSE 100, and DAX. Commodity CFDs provide exposure to key hard and soft commodities including gold, silver, crude oil, natural gas, and more. In addition, there's a selection of cryptocurrency CFDs for popular digital assets such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, plus US share CFDs on major stocks like Apple and Tesla, all tradable on powerful platforms like MetaTrader 4 and 5 with flexible leverage and both long and short positions. Global Prime gives traders access to the world's most popular and powerful trading platforms, starting with MetaTrader 4 and 5, both available on desktop, web, and mobile. MetaTrader 4 remains the industry standard, offering intuitive charting, advanced analysis, automated trading with expert advisors, and full customization for both beginners and experienced traders. MetaTrader 5 builds on that with more timeframes, indicators, order types, and a built-in economic calendar, ideal for traders who want advanced features and greater flexibility. The broker also supports web trader versions that let you trade directly from any browser without downloads, and integrates with tools like TradingView, virtual private server services, and trade copying solutions to enhance research, automation, and execution. Global Prime offers traders simple yet flexible account options designed to suit different trading styles. At the core are the 2 main live accounts: their standard account, which features 0 commissions and competitive spreads starting from around 0.9 pips, ideal for traders who prefer straightforward pricing, and the raw account, which provides raw interbank style spreads from 0.0 pips with a transparent commission per lot, perfect for scalpers and high volume traders seeking the lowest possible trading costs. Additionally, there's also a free demo account available so traders can practice without risk before going live. Global Prime provides a range of educational resources designed to support traders at different experience levels. On their website and YouTube channel, traders can access educational videos and guides that cover core topics like Forex basics, technical analysis, risk management, and trading strategies, all aimed at helping you improve your market knowledge and skills. Additionally, the broker also offers structured trading guides covering everything from beginner concepts to more advanced techniques, helping you grow as a trader over time. Coming in at number 2 on our list is IC Markets. IC Markets stands as a renowned financial institution committed to providing cutting-edge trading solutions for a diverse clientele. With a solid foundation in the financial markets, IC Markets has established itself as a leading broker. offering a wide array of trading instruments and services. Their global presence ensures accessibility for traders worldwide, while their commitment to innovation and transparency sets them apart in the dynamic world of online trading. IC Markets offers a diverse and comprehensive range of trading instruments, catering to the varied needs of traders in the global financial markets. Traders can access a wide spectrum of assets, including Forex currency pairs, commodity CFDs, indices, bonds, cryptocurrencies, stocks, and futures. The broker ensures that their trading instruments incorporate the latest financial products, and the platform's versatility allows traders to explore and capitalize on various market movements, making IC Markets a preferred choice for those seeking a robust and dynamic trading experience across multiple asset classes. IC Markets provides trading platforms which are designed to cater to the diverse needs of traders, from beginners to experienced professionals. And these platforms are namely the IC Markets proprietary trading platform, MetaTrader 4, and MetaTrader 5, as well as CTrader, with social trading functionality and a diverse range of tools. Their trading platforms are designed to cater to the diverse trading preferences and styles of their clientele, solidifying their position as a leading provider in the online trading industry. As a globally recognized broker, IC Markets offers a versatile array of trading account types to cater to the distinctive preferences of traders around the world. These include the raw spread, standard, and Islamic accounts, with demo account options. With these diverse account options, IC Markets ensures that traders have the flexibility to choose an account that aligns with their individual trading preferences and strategies. Whether prioritizing tight spreads, commission-free trading, or the innovative capabilities of CTrader, IC Markets aims to empower traders with tailored solutions for a dynamic trading journey. The broker also recognizes the importance of education in empowering traders to make better informed decisions. And the platform offers a comprehensive suite of educational resources to enhance the trading knowledge and skills of its users. Traders can access a variety of educational material, including video tutorials, articles, webinars, and market analysis, all aimed at enhancing their understanding of the financial markets. Overall, IC Markets stands as a preeminent global broker committed to providing a cutting-edge and inclusive trading experience. With a robust range of trading instruments, versatile platforms, and diverse account types, IC Markets caters to the unique preferences and needs of traders worldwide. They continue to set industry standards, offering a gateway to the world of online trading with sophistication and reliability. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with low spreads, we have Fusion Markets. Fusion Markets is a cost-focused global Forex and CFD broker known for its low trading fees and transparent approach. Founded in Melbourne, Australia, and regulated by the ASIC, it has built a strong reputation by offering some of the lowest commissions in the industry, ultra-tight spreads, and no minimum deposit requirements. Fusion Markets provides access to a wide range of instruments with zero commission, and they provide segregated client funds and fast execution. The broker positions itself as a reliable, budget-friendly option for both new and experienced traders looking to maximize value without sacrificing quality. The broker offers a diverse range of CFD trading instruments, giving traders plenty of choice across global markets. This includes over 90 Forex pairs with competitive spreads, a solid selection of commodities such as gold, silver, oil, and natural gas, as well as major global indices like the S&P 500, NASDAQ, FTSE 100, and more. Traders can also access US share CFDs with zero commission, making equity trading more cost-effective. Along with a curated lineup of cryptocurrency CFDs, for those looking to trade digital assets with leverage. With fast execution and low-cost pricing, Fusion Markets creates a flexible environment for both beginner and advanced traders. The broker provides a versatile selection of trading platforms designed to meet the needs of both beginner and professional traders. This includes MetaTrader 4 and 5, offering advanced charting, automated trading via expert advisors, and access across desktop, web, and mobile. CTrader delivers professional-grade tools including detailed market depth, multiple timeframes, and over 70 bolt-on indicators. Traders can also use TradingView integration for direct chart-based trading with powerful analysis tools. For those interested in social trading, Fusion Plus allows users to copy or follow other successful traders, creating a flexible and comprehensive trading environment. Fusion Markets offers a few different account types to suit different trading styles and experience levels. Their classic account is designed for simplicity. All trading costs are baked into the spread, with no separate commission, making it very beginner-friendly. On the other hand, their Zero account is built for more active traders. It provides ultra-tight raw spreads starting from about 0.0 pips, plus a commission per trade, which can lead to lower overall costs if you trade frequently. In addition, Fusion sports a demo account so users can practice in a risk-free environment. They also offer swap-free accounts on certain account types, allowing traders to avoid overnight swap interest by complying with religious requirements. Fusion Markets provides traders with a range of educational resources and market analysis tools designed to support informed trading decisions. Users can access step-by-step guides and tutorials covering trading basics, leverage, and risk management, while a demo account allows practice in a risk-free environment. Traders can also stay ahead of the markets with a live economic calendar, tracking key data releases and events that impact global markets. For deeper insights, Fusion offers tools like Market Buzz and Technical Insight, which provide sentiment analysis, expert commentary, and real-time chart-based market analysis. Fusion Markets delivers practical resources that help both beginner and experienced traders develop their skills and make smarter trading decisions. And those are some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with low spreads on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.